So now we will deploy one Flask based Python application on Google App Engine. So for that you will need a GCP account, and for deploying the app we need to enable the App Engine admin API. So first you open your GCP console, then go to I am an admin, then click on library, and then search for App Engine. Now open App Engine admin API and enable this API. In my case it's already enabled, so I will move to the next step, that is importing the source code of the app to the cloud storage buckets. So for doing this we need to activate the cloud shell. So the cloud shell is basically a remote terminal from which you can create or access the GCP resources. Okay, so now it's already connected to my GCP project. You might require to configure the project ID. So the next step is to import the source code. So now I will clone the repository of one simple Hello World application from GitHub. Now change the directory to the application directory where the source code and configuration files are stored. Now we will make some changes in the source code. So let's open the source code. So let's change the hello world to, let's say, VID Pune, so that the web page will return the VID Pune. Yeah, save the file. Now enter the command, that is gcloud app deploy, which will deploy your application to the Google Cloud. Now choose the region where you want to deploy your application. You should choose the one which is nearest to your business. So I will choose the Asia South 1 location. Now confirm the details and press Y. Yeah, this would take, I think, 2 to 3 minutes depending upon your workload. So let's skip that. Now enter the command gcloud app browse. This will return the link for your application. Yeah, this is our deployed application running on Google Cloud App Engine, and anyone with this link on the internet can now access your application. Now let's go back to the console, and now let's access the dashboard of the App Engine. So first go to view all products in the main menu, and so, yeah, search for the App Engine. Now click on App Engine. Yeah, this is the App Engine dashboard interface. Here you can monitor the number of requests made by user to the application. Yeah, you can also get your billing information as per the usage. Then you can monitor the current workload on your deployed instance. Then you can find the application errors as well as server errors and logs on this dashboard. So yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching.